meantime, get you the latest that is now coming in from the Saif Ali Khan stabbing incident. Information coming as Kareena Kapoor Khan has now reached the hospital there where her husband Saif Ali Khan has been undergoing medical treatment. But it's been over 50 hours now ever since this gruesome attack was reported on Saif Ali Khan, and that too in his own house. However, when it comes to the said intruder, he still continues to remain at large as far as his whereabouts are concerned that are still being traced by the Mumbai police, where several teams that have been formed, including that of the crime branch as well. A suspect that was also picked up by the police, he was questioned for several hours, later let off. However, there has been several developments that are now coming to light as far as the movement of the said true intruder is concerned on the very day of the attack. Where all did he go to? What all did he purchase? Where was he exactly spotted? All of them now becomes the latest leads on part of the police that is now part of the ongoing investigation. Let's in the meantime also talk about when it comes to the details that we are picking up. Kareena Kapoor Khan recording a statement. So did Saif Ali Khan, being the victim in the case. They have recorded the statement, including the staffers there. Even the auto rickshaw driver who had ferried Saif Ali Khan and injured Saif Ali Khan to the hospital late in the night to Lilavati Hospital. Now, the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, amid questions that are now being raised over this investigation, however, has said that the police is working on the leads there. They have several clues and there would be a sure shot breakthrough that will happen in the case very soon.
ऐसा है, उस मामले में पुलिस की तफ्तीश जारी है। पुलिस ने इसके बारे में आपको ब्रीफिंग भी दिया है। बहुत क्लूज पुलिस को मिले हैं। मुझे लगता है कि पुलिस जल्दी इस केस को जीरो डाउन करेगी।
Now, there's been a fresh lead in Saif Ali Khan attack case. There is new round of CCTV footage that has now been accessed, and this is said to be of the attacker who has apparently been spotting a blue shirt. Now, this is before the attack that has happened, 7 a.m. On the camera there, the attacker there could be seen on the pavement. He seems to be carrying the similar backpack, and this is moments before the entry that has now been suggested on the very day when it comes to this attack that was reported at Saif Ali Khan's residence is concerned. Let's in the meantime describe those pictures that are now coming in just before the attacker decides to break in the house of Saif Ali Khan in posh Bandra locality. Let's in the meantime talk about when it comes to 16th of January. This is the same day when late in the night the intruder enters Saif Ali Khan's residence, and this time he's seen sporting a blue shirt, a blue t-shirt. He's carrying a backpack. Now remains to be seen if this is the same one where he was seen carrying in the CCTV footage that has been accessed on the 6th floor of the building, where the intruder could be seen making his way up, an hour later making his way back down the staircase. And when it comes to the police there, they are now trying to trace his whereabouts exactly when it comes to this location where he is seen walking on the pavement there. And this is just said to be hours before the reported attack was carried out. Let's in the meantime talk about the unanswered questions so far, because there are basic questions that arises in one's mind exactly when it comes to how did this entire ploy, when it comes to was it attempted robbery or was it a bigger ploy, how was it carried out and why was it carried out, that remains the big question. If theft was the motive, then why exactly nothing was stolen? According to the statement recorded by one of the caretaker, the thief or the intruder apparently demanded 1 crore rupee. Now, why did the police let the suspect go after detention? We know that one person was picked up, he was questioned for several hours, but later he was let go. Now, there are several CCTV footages that have also emerged, but in none of them we can actually spot the intruder. So did he know exactly when it comes to the blind spots of the building, so he knew what to evade and what route to take to evade those cameras, those CCTV footages? Were the construction workers also said to be involved? Because there was flooring work that was taking place in Saif Ali Khan's building. There was construction work that was taking place in the adjoining building. Was it a one-man job or there were others involved? How was the intruder familiar with the layout, because he knew exactly what route to take and what route to avoid? How did the attacker enter Saif Ali Khan's residence? Because now what is being reported that there were no signs of forced entry. Was the attack on Saif Ali Khan actually part of an inside job? Did somebody inside Saif Ali Khan's house who was present there knew about this attack that is going to happen, knew about this intruder? What was the motive? And if indeed he was locked, what is being said by the caretakers there that they managed to lock him, and that was the very moment that they took and rushed Saif Ali Khan to the hospital, then how did the intruder manage to escape? Because it's been over 50 hours and he's still on the run. And did anyone in Saif Ali Khan's staff knew the attacker? Was there a prior motive that was planned? How did no one see the suspect escape? Didn't anyone see when he made his entry into the building? Didn't anyone see him now leaving the building as well? Arunil is with us right now, tracking all of those developments, reporting from the Bandra police station. Arunil, many unanswered questions, many theories there. However, the main question still remains, who was this man? What was his motive? And did he know somebody inside when it comes to Saif Ali Khan's house?
Well, Amita, such is the unprecedented nature of this crime. It has basically baffled the officers in Mumbai police as well. They are also extremely surprised because here is a man who enters a high-profile building which obviously has heightened security, uses the duct to reach the top floor, that is the 11th floor of Saif Ali Khan, manages to get inside a superstar actor and his actress also, a wife who is an actress, their house, manages to be outside the bedroom of their son. How is it possible? It is completely unfathomable. And after that also, when Kareena's statement was recorded, she basically is saying that their priority later on was to save Saif Ali Khan, and they immediately were rushing him to the hospital. The attacker or the intruder in this case could have picked up some valuables from their residence, but he didn't do that. Was it because he panicked? He also wanted to save himself. That's why he did that. And what transpired later on, that details also we have from the Mumbai police. From the residence of Saif Ali Khan, when he got down, he immediately changed his shirt. He walked from Saif Ali Khan's residence. My video journalist Vijay Saule basically is showing you. Now, this is the Bandra police station, Amita. Left side, around 15 to 20 minutes, is the residence of Saif Ali Khan. From there, he basically walked on this road itself. He was confident that he will not be nabbed because the crime was just committed. And here, only 3 to 4 minutes from here, where the traffic you can see, there is a signal over there. That is the signal of Bandra railway station. He can be seen at Bandra railway station. His grab has been captured over there. And later on,
but in a different set of clothes. So possibly he was carrying a different set of clothes. He changed his clothes to avoid being detected by when it comes to the police, or when his movement is now being tracked by the police by several investigations and leads that they are picking up on the possible route that the intruder may have taken. According to latest update, what we are learning at Lilavati Hospital, Kareena Kapoor Khan has reached. Now, as far as Kareena also being one of those individuals where her statement that has also been recorded with the Mumbai police, the teams there of both Kareena Kapoor and Saif Ali Khan, who have been saying that this was a difficult and challenging time for their family. However, the good news is that the actor is said to be in a stable condition. He is recovering. He is responding well to the treatment. He's managed to walk as well after undergoing surgical procedure. What is being said that it was just a 2 mm difference there when it comes to part of that weapon that was lodged in his back, avoided when it comes to serious injury to his spine. And the doctors there who have been saying that Saif Ali Khan is actually a real-life hero. The way he emerged calm and composed with the weapon still lodged in his body, and thereafter he made his way from his residence to Lilavati Hospital around 3 in the morning, and he seems to be composed. However, with the surgical precisions that have been undergone on the actor, he has multiple stab wounds, whether be it to his wrist, to his neck, to his back as well. Now, after those procedures that have now been over, he was shifted to the ICU, and later from out of that, he's been kept under observation. Remains to be seen that when the actor would be discharged. Maybe it will happen very soon now. Arunil, as far as the actor's health condition is concerned, because relatives and family members continue to reach Lilavati Hospital as we speak.
That's what we hope, that actor Saif Ali Khan will be discharged soon. He was shifted from the ICU ward to the normal ward yesterday. Generally, that is the procedure. After a surgery, for 24 hours at least, a patient has to be kept in the ICU ward. With respect to the injuries that were sustained, the doctors also spoke about it, that if the knife would have gone a little more deep, it would have caused massive trouble to the actor, that is Saif Ali Khan. Fortunately, that was not the case.
Right. But Arunil, interrupting you, Shweta, I'm told she's joining us live from the Lilavati hospital itself. Shweta, the movement there at the hospital, if you can tell us who all have arrived this morning.
Well, that's right. In fact, let me quickly show you the visuals from Lilavati Hospital where we are present. In fact, just a short while back, Kareena Kapoor Khan has reached the hospital, and just before that we saw Soha Ali Khan along with Kunal Khemu were there. But however, they have left from the hospital premises. As far as Saif Ali Khan's health condition is concerned, he is stable and he is doing fine. This is what the panel of doctors from Lilavati Hospital has informed us. He is recovering well. In fact, he is responding well to the treatment that is ongoing of Mr. Saif Ali Khan at the hospital. The morning doctors, in fact, those who were keeping a check onto his health, they also stated that we made Saif Ali Khan walk a little more longer today just to check on his movements, because we understand that there was huge injury that had taken place just near to his spinal cord, and he escaped narrowly just 2 millimeters away from his spinal cord. So that particular injury has something to do really with the entire health, and they are ensuring that he is walking, and his parameters are also being checked. His vitals are correct, and the doctors have informed that by evening they will be also taking a call when to discharge him. But when it comes to the thorough healing of the actor Saif Ali Khan,
family, relatives, friends from the fraternity, all of them coming to pay the actor a visit and wish him speedy recovery. Of course, when it comes to the investigation and the actor's health, we'll sharing all the updates there, as Arunil and Shweta have been getting us up to speed developments from Mumbai. Thank you very much for the moment. Let's shift